All right, so update on this case about the senior special assistant to the governor of Delta State on moral and diasporal affair, or will I say former senior special assistant, because the government of Delta State have suspended her following the allegation that she collected money to do work permit. She ate the money and did not do it, and upon that she used her office to threaten them. Now, what happened is they were invited after the video made. She was invited to the special investigation unit of the IG, and this guy that reported to me was also invited. So they went there. When they got there, she started yelling, started shouting up and down that the guy is a liar, that everything the guy is saying is a lie, that they did not give her money directly, that she just helped them, it's her company that just helped them, blah blah. She was just talking a lot of things. The guy did not say anything. She was saying that they are trying to spoil her name, her enemies are at work, but she will prove everybody wrong. She has evidence, and that they should bring evidence. She was just talking. The guy did not say anything. Then after she kept quiet, the guy now presented evidence to the police. When he presented voice recording, call recording and everything to the police got really angry that she was lying even at the front of evidence. That because she didn't know that this guy have all this evidence, so she was just lying, trying to manipulate the police. So at the end of the day, the oga there got angry and detained her. So as I talk to you now, SSA, they say sell. SSA don't decide sell. Yes, this is the Nigeria we all want. No, we don't have to say person go use power. You go do wrong thing. You go still want use power, take cover your mess. You don't understand? You go still want use power because see that voice note what she sent to that guy. They tell her say, I am willing to take it to any length. Now we don't take them to any length. They don't sack you for work. Now tough now commoners. When I can't do the case now as common people, they don't lock you. At least before you come out from there now, you go don't give them some percentage of their money. These people now, people will say, okay, now you, because of your office of diaspora, that is why they gave you that money. That's why they gave you the money. If not, they say you claim to be SSA, I mean you be SSA of a moral and diaspora affair, they no go give you the money, and they can't give you finish after the agreement, after what you said on the phone, that if it doesn't work, you are going to refund them. You no can work now, refund them na problem. You won't on the ratio that you don't forget see very dark man still did this media. I don't talk me, I am ready for the downfall of all the baba people who did this media. All of you that like to take advantage of your office to milk people, all of you that take advantage of your social media level and your small connection that you have to want to oppress people and collect their money and eat, you no go work. Except if I don't see the case. If I see the case, you must cast. I go spoil them for you. And they get joy when bad people they fall. You see me, make person business boy, bad business. I am all for it. It gives me so much joy. Make I know say, now me make this your business for. The kind of joy where they give me, you no go understand. It just sweets me. So as you don't do say now, hopefully the guy will get their money back. It's almost 80 million. I'll be 100 million. I've forgotten the amount, but I know all those evidence that he sent, all the transfer receipt and all of that accumulated to 70 something or 80 something. So yes, hopefully they get their money today or tomorrow, or whenever she decides that whatever agreement that they write that she's going to pay. It's a law. Don't play and don't eat people's money on my social media. I own this Instagram in Nigeria. Yes, let me get some. Once you want scam, I go owe you. Let me get some. This a law. Don't play. Else you're gonna learn and you will learn the hard way.